You found Paw Daddy's BlindHawg Barbecue, and today it's all about honey maple chicken wings on my Char Griller Akorn Kamado. Now I'm grilling up a 5-pound bag. We want to dry them off with paper towels, then I separate the flats from the drummies, and then dry them off one more time. If you work at it, you can lay out all the flats on a wire rack and all the drummies on another. Now today it's John A. Adams mesquite flavored chicken rub for the first pass, and then Cosmos Q Dirty Bird Hot for the second pass. Flip them over, repeat on the other side. Now prepare the wings on the second rack the exact same way. Now we're cooking one rack at a time, starting at around 300 degrees Fahrenheit and working our way up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit using indirect heat. Now at 165 degrees Fahrenheit, glaze on both sides, with the glaze consisting of 1 cup honey, 1 cup maple syrup, and 1 cup of barbecue sauce. Now bring the internal wing temperature up between 185 and 195 degrees Fahrenheit. Oh yeah, they're so good. They're sweet, maple, and delicious. Hope to see you next time at Paw Daddy's BlindHawg Barbecue.